Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question which is 4 is to power x plus 4 is to power 1 minus x equal to 4, and we should solve this question for this x. In order to solve this question, in the first step we should break this 4 is to power 1 minus x into 4 is to power 1 into 4 is to power minus x according to index rule. Remaining values for the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should make this power minus x, which is negative power, we will convert this negative power into a positive power, and as a result we should move this value which is 4 is to power minus x from numerator to denominator. As a result we should get 4 is to power x plus 4 is to power 1 over 4 is to power x is equal to 4. Now in the next step we should simplify this value. As a result we should get 4 is to power x square plus 4 is to power 1 is equal to 4 into 4 is to power x, because this 4 is to power x will multiply with this 4 is to power x. As a result we should get 4x square. 4 is to power 1 will remain same, and this 4 is to power x will multiply with this 4. As a result we should get 4 into 4 is to power x. Now we should move this 4 into 4 is to power x from one side equation to the other side of the equation. As a result we should get 4x square into 4 is to power x plus 4 equal to 0. Now we should solve this equation, which is a quadratic equation. In order to solve this equation we should consider 4 is to power x is equals to y, and now we should insert the value of 4 is to power x, or we should replace the value 4 is to power x from y inside this equation. As a result we should get y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Now in the next step we can see that this y square will remain same, but this value can be break as 2 into y, and this 4 will be converted into 2 square, and we can see that this is a minus b whole square formula, which is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. If y is a and 2 is a b, then and this value satisfies this equation, so we can replace a from y and b from 2, and this value will be back as a minus b whole square as y minus 2 square equal to 0. Because this value satisfies this value, so this formula will be back according to this formula by replacing a with y and b with 2. Now we should take a square on the both sides of the equation, and as a result 0 will come out from the root as same, but the square and the root value will cancel out together. As a result y minus 2 will come out from the root. Now in the next step this minus 2 will go to the other side of the equation. As a result we should get y is equal to 2, but as we know that this y is our assumption, in reality the value of y is equal to 4 is to power x, so here we replace this y with 4 is to power x, and this 2 will remain same. Now this is 4 is to power x can be written as 2 is to power 2x is equal to 2, and according to index formula if the bases are equal then their power are also equal, so here we apply the same rule. As a result we should get 2x is equal to 2, and now this 2 will go to the other side of the equation and it will divide this 2 from 2. As a result 2 and 2 will cancel out together, and we should get the value of x which is equal to 1, and this is the answer for the equation 4 is to power x plus 4 is to power 1 minus x is equal to 4. And I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.